Hey, there goes Pepper. She fetches really good.
She's the NFL.
Yeah, she's the NFL dog here.
Gosh, he's good.
There ain't no one better than this dog.
My dog has a problem with bringing it, like giving it back to you.
She don't.
He'll bring it back, but
She
he won't
do
give
this
it
all
back.
night long.
He likes to touch wood.
I'm telling y'all, there ain't no one better. And if y'all think so, y'all can just leave me a comment then. Oh boy. Throwing like, I don't know, who's the worst quarterback in the NFL?
She'll get to catch it.
Tom Brady.
I don't, no offense anyone, but Tom Brady, me and Tom Brady just don't get along. I don't get along with him. Pepper, she's doing really good. She'll catch it, maybe. And she's a pretty small dog. Oh, touchdown! Caught it.
Good girl.
That's cool.
Oh.
Another one.
Barely nagged it with her teeth. She barely.
Almost.
That dog, whew, I don't know how much energy it has. Oh my gosh, it's on fire. I wouldn't be surprised if it lit up in flames right now. If she played like this in the NFL, that'd be like awesome. But how can dogs get in the NFL?
It's like you took wide receiver.
Oh my,
Yeah, that's what I told her.
And I'm like me.
She'd make a good wide receiver.
Yeah. Where's Woody? He's over there.
And I'm already in my position.
Yeah.
Oh, clear touchdown. Clear touchdown.
That was nice.
So that's just awesome. That's the first dog I've really seen go after a ball like that. You know, I mean, yeah.
She's had a lot of practice.
Yeah.
First time I've seen her catch it in midair. My dog will catch it after it hits the ground. He can catch it in midair.
Woody, you're on the field, buddy. Heck, Woody, he owns the place.
He's the back porch dog.
Pepper, she's funny.
He's checking his perimeter out.
Yeah. He owns him a couch and everything.
What is couch?
She's like, where's
Yeah.
that?
She'll get tired in a minute.